Welcome back, Crammers, to question 19. Mary saves for a holiday each year. In 2020, she saved a total of $720, but in 2021, each month, she saved $78. The total amount Mary saved in 2021 was P% more than the total amount she saved in 2020. Work out the value of P. Before we move on, we have to find the total for 2021. It's given that each month she saves $78, so we simply multiply this by however many months there are in a year, which is 12. We can use a calculator here for 78 times 12. We get 936. Now that we have both totals, we can simply use the equation new minus old divided by old times 100. So the new amount is 936 minus the old amount is 720 divided by the old amount 720 times 100 should give us P. Let's use our calculator here. 936 minus 720 divided by 720 times 100 gives us 30. So P is 30%. Roberto is going on holiday. He has two coupons that will save him money on this holiday, coupon A and coupon B. For Roberto's holiday, the cost of accommodation is $1,600. The cost of flight is $800. Roberto can only use one of the coupons and he wants to save as much as he can. Which of the two coupons should he use? Show you working clearly. So that means whichever coupon saves the most will be the coupon that Roberto wants to choose. Let's see here. Coupon A, 18% off the cost of accommodation. That's the same as 18 over 100. So we can simply write that as 0.18 off the cost of accommodation. So we multiply this value with the cost of accommodation, which is 1,600 times 0.18. But don't forget, he's also paying for cost of flights. So we have to add the cost of flights, which is 800. Therefore, coupon A will save, bracket, 1,600 times 0.18, close the bracket, plus 800. That gives us 1,088. A saves $1,088. And now we can do coupon B. 12.5% off the total cost of accommodation and flights. So 12.5% off is the same as 12.5 over 100, or that's simply 0.125 off the total cost of accommodation and flights. So we have to combine the accommodation and flights first. So 1,600 plus 800 into 0.125. And we can use our calculator here. 1,600 plus 800 multiplied by 0.125. That gives us $300. Now, we have to choose which coupon saves the most money. And looking here, I can see that A is in the thousands, while B is only in the hundreds. So therefore, that means A is our answer. And we can write here, Roberto uses coupon A. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.